Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to guide you through the process of correcting your PAN card details online in 2023. If you've noticed any discrepancies or need to update your name, date of birth, father's name, or other details, it's crucial to correct them. Now, let's delve into the specifics of how to make these corrections online. Updating your PAN card details online is a simple process. We'll start by walking you through the steps on the NSDL e-Gov portal. You'll need to visit the NSDL e-Gov portal, click on the Services tab and select PAN from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll scroll down to find the Change Correction in PAN Data section. Click Apply to kickstart the process. You'll then need to fill in the necessary details and submit the form. The next step involves attaching the required proof documents based on the information you've updated. After reviewing the form and entering the first 8 digits of your Aadhaar number, you'll proceed to the payment page. After successful payment, you'll receive a payment receipt. You'll then need to complete the KYC process by entering the OTP sent to your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Once this is done, you'll download the acknowledgement form. Now, let's look at how to update your PAN card details on the UTI-ITSL portal. The process begins by visiting the UTI-ITSL website and clicking on Click to Apply under the Change Correction in PAN card tab. You'll then fill in your PAN number, select the mode of submission, and click Submit. If you prefer the offline method, you can download the PAN card correction form online, fill it out, and submit it along with essential documents at any nearest PAN center. After submission and payment, you'll receive an acknowledgement slip. Regardless of the method you choose, you'll need these specific documents for PAN card correction. A copy of your PAN card, identity proof, address proof, and proof of date of birth. Now, last but not the least, let's look at the fees. And that's it, a comprehensive guide on updating your PAN card details online in 2023. Remember, accuracy is key when it comes to your financial documents. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed.